Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix mobs not spawning in Pocketmine-MP. First of all, go to Chrome and install the plugin called Pure Entities X. You can find it in the link in the description. Tap direct download and then you have to open your Files app and you have to go to Downloads folder. When you see like that, when you see pure entities X, simply cut it and paste it in Android data io.scr.pocketmine files Pocketmine-MP and tap on downloads or I mean plugins. Now you see I already added that here. So for example, you have to do it like there and tap on this. Now you are good to go. Then you have to open your Pocketmine-MP server. I already opened it. I'm gonna restart it. Now when it's started, it will make a thing in plugin data folder. Now tap on Pure Entities X, tap config.yaml and tap on text editor. Now these are max spawning values. You can change it to how many mobs can spawn in your world. Not when you when you increase the value, it may lag your Pocketmine server. Control spawn probability. Now you can give it more chance or low chance if you want to. For example purposes, I'm gonna make the cow 100% chance of spawning. Now when it's done, simply close your Pocketmine-MP, stop it and start it. Now when it's done, you have to open your Minecraft Pocket Edition and simply wait for it to load up. Now you see a Pocketmine-MP server and friends list. Simply tap it and wait for a while for it to load up. When it's done, wait, I'm gonna set the time to daytime. Now it may take some time for the mobs to spawn because there are a lot of mobs in this case. And I have disabled some of the mods so you can rarely find any mobs. But you can change the config values to like about a high or something like that. Like you can change the how many cows spawn in your world to like I don't know. Here you can see a cow. It's working like it's vanilla, like you may not be able to tell any difference. But when you punch the cow, you see, holy Jesus Christ, what the heck? The cow is flying! Jesus Christ! The cow. What the heck is happening? The cow. It's powerful. Let's give him some meat. Here. Oh my god. Is this cow God? Oh my god. The cow is flying. The cow has powers. Sorry cow, sorry cow, sorry cow. Wait. Cow lives matter. Here, eat some meat. Eat some meat. Eat. Sorry. Okay, so the mobs plugin is working perfectly fine, but it's kinda weird. And it sometimes lags your server because of the mobs. So when you are trying to do that, just this is a caution warning. It may lag your phone. But you see, it simply looks like it's vanilla, but it's not vanilla because there are some bugs in it. Like, look at the knockback. Look at the knockback. There's a lot of bugs in this plugin. Oh, Jesus Christ. The sheep can fly. Here, here. Feed, food. Take some food. If you guys liked that video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Wait, I'm gonna taste something. Oh my god. The sheep. Oh, sorry, sheep. Here. Take some food. Bye.